The tale of a young chef named Alex began in a city that hummed with the sizzle of pans and the enticing aroma of spices. Intrigued by the magic that could be woven in a kitchen where simple ingredients metamorphosed into extraordinary dishes, Alex was drawn into the culinary world like a moth to a flame. From the humble beginnings of washing dishes at a small-town diner to the relentless chopping of vegetables in a high-end restaurant, Alex's journey was a testament to resilience, to the power of dreams fueled by passion. Sweat and unyielding determination were the stepping stones to success. Every stumble, every setback was a lesson learned. In the crucible of the kitchen, Alex's culinary skills were honed and refined, as sharp and precise as a well-tempered chef's knife. Endless days melded into nights as Alex tirelessly experimented with flavors, perfecting techniques and mastering the art of creating culinary delights. The path to success was not devoid of trials. There were moments when the scorching heat of the kitchen almost extinguished the fire of Alex's dream. But the vision of a restaurant, a haven where people could relish the joy of exquisite cuisine, kept the flame alive. Through sheer dedication and an iron will, Alex ascended the culinary ladder, earning admiration and respect from peers and mentors. Every dish served was a piece of Alex's soul, a culinary masterpiece that resonated with the symphony of flavors, creating an indelible memory. Years of relentless toil and sacrifice bore fruit when Alex's dream finally materialized. The grand opening of Alex's restaurant was not just a celebration of culinary talent and tenacity, but a tribute to passion and perseverance. The buzz about Alex's magical creation spread like wildfire, attracting food lovers from near and far. Each plate served at Alex's restaurant told a unique story, an innovative spin on classics and signature dishes alike, a medley of flavors orchestrated by a maestro. As time rolled by, Alex's restaurant evolved into a community hub, a gathering place for friends, a venue for family celebrations, and a favorite haunt for patrons who started as strangers. But amidst the shower of praises and recognition, Alex stayed grounded, never forgetting the journey that paved the road to success. For Alex, the kitchen was not a mere workplace, it was a sanctuary, a canvas where dreams bloomed and aspirations took flight. Despite the long journey peppered with challenges, Alex's story stands as an inspiring testimony to the transformative power of hard work, passion, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. The tale of Alex's journey from the kitchen to success is a heartwarming reminder that dreams do come true, one dish at a time.